To sell Shiba Inu on Binance, you need to have an account and the cryptocurrency in your wallet. First, go to the Binance website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one and complete the required verification process. Once logged in, click on the Trade button and select the spot trading option. Then, search for the Shiba Inu trading pair, such as SHIB USDT, which is the Shiba Inu to Tether USDT trading pair. After selecting the trading pair, you will see a price chart and a sell box. In the sell box, select the type of order you want to place, such as a limit order or a market order. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to sell your Shiba Inu, while a market order sells your Shiba Inu at the current market price. If you choose a limit order, enter the price at which you want to sell your Shiba Inu and the amount you want to sell. If you choose a market order, simply enter the amount you want to sell. Then, click on the Sell button to place your order. Your order will be executed when a buyer is found at the price you specified, or at the current market price if you chose a market order. Once your order is filled, the USDT will be credited to your Binance wallet. You can then withdraw the USDT or use it to buy other cryptocurrencies on the platform. It is essential to be aware of the market conditions and the fees associated with selling Shiba Inu. On Binance, the fees include a trading fee, which is a percentage of the trade amount, and a withdrawal fee, which is charged when you withdraw your funds from the platform. To minimize fees, make sure you understand the fee structure and plan your trades accordingly. Additionally, be cautious of market volatility, as the price of Shiba Inu can fluctuate rapidly. Always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making any trades. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can successfully sell Shiba Inu on Binance. Remember to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions to make the most of your trades.